it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. I cannot believe it's December 1st. It's the last month of 2024, and I've got some great subscription products to share with you for the month of December 2024. Let's head down and let's take a look. We have 4 subscriptions right now here at Pink and Maine, and if you have not tried at least one of them yet, I urge you to do so. They are a great value. You get to try lots of new products before anyone else gets a hold of them. I'm going to go over our foil subscription first for December, and let's take a look. This is gorgeous. So this month, the brand new foil you will get in your foil subscription is Waterfall Pink. Now we have a waterfall teal, that's gorgeous teal color, and now we have waterfall pink. So it's the same pattern as the waterfall teal, kind of different little striations there. The beautiful pink color. You get a full roll of 25 feet of this foil, and you're the first to get to try it. We will have this foil for sale later in the month, individually without the subscription, but you can get it in the subscription right now. The foil subscription goes out on the 5th of the month, and that's when we charge you each and every month unless you skip a month or cancel. And as a subscriber to any of our subscriptions, you automatically get a 15% discount on everything else you purchase on the website besides the subscriptions. This month in the foil subscription, you're also going to get our Loving Sentiments foilable panels. So we've got these great little sentiments that you can cut apart with your paper trimmer and foil. We've given you the positive and the negative, so you can either have the foiled sentiments or you can have the foiled background. You can always ink blend over these to get different colors with them. We've got sentiments on here. There's 8 panels total. They say, I love you more each day. Hello. Thank you for loving me. Sending love. Sending hugs. Thinking of you. Hello, lovely. With love. With all of my heart. From my heart. You are loved. Happy Valentine's Day. Love ya. You have my heart. And I love you. So some great sentiments to use on your cards. Along with the Loving Sentiments, you're also going to get a package of our Queen of Hearts foilable sheets. Again, all of these will be available for individual purchase later in the month, but with the subscription, you're going to get them first, and you also get them at a great deal. So these sheets, I've got them with the 2 different designs here, positive and negative, so you can get some different variations in your foiling. We've got 8 different patterns. Look at those hearts, so pretty. Love the roses. You can use these for all different occasions. Here are some fun frames that have little foliage and hearts at the bottom. We've got just some cool doodled hearts, positive and negative again, so you can get different results with your foiling. We've got more roses. And let me flip this last one over. And there we have, it's a heart shape full of roses. So 8 different patterns here that I just know you're going to love creating with. That is our foil subscription. The foil subscription ships for free within the US for $21.99 only. And you get a whole roll of foil and a pack of foilable sheets and a pack of foilable panels. Next up, let's go over our stamp and die of the month. So if you order the stamp of the month, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to your door. If you order the stamp and die, you get the stamp as well as the coordinating die. So the stamp set alone gets shipped for free within the US for only $12. This is a $16 stamp set. So what a savings is that? And then the stamp and die ships to your door for free within the US for $24. These go out on the 10th of the month, so that's when they get charged, unless you skip or cancel. So this month we have Stole My Heart. Look at these adorable little raccoons. We got one with little flowers. We got two there. They're giving Eskimo kisses. We've got two here that's got a little heart with their tails curled up. We've got one with a heart balloon. We've got two in the trash can here. And this one's got a lock and key. I don't know if you can tell on some of the elements, I added our touch of gloss to make them look shiny. Like the balloon kind of looks like a real balloon. I've got some on the trash can just to make it kind of nice and shiny, like a real metal trash can. The sentiments say, "You stole my heart. That was sneaky. I love you. That stinks, but I'm here for you." So some really cute stamps and sentiments to go along with them. So that's the stamp and die of the month for December. Now let's go over our Crafty Courtyard kit, which is our monthly subscription kit. This is our card kit. It goes out on the 15th of each month unless you skip a month or cancel it. This month the theme is retro cocktails. I did run out of time and forgot to put our color palette here, but you can see by the paper pad and match that up with the colors that you have. This kit includes, you get a whole list here of everything that's inside. And I've given you some card sketches on the back just to kind of jumpstart your creativity. You should keep these handy when you're making cards. Just kind of helps to have something to look at and go by sometimes when you lose that mojo. Okay, so this month we've got a little something special for you here. This kit is packed to the gills, I tell you. You're not going to believe what you get in this month's kit. We're going out of the year with a bang. We've got 5 specialty sheets of paper and your 1 piece of white cardstock. So our 5 specialty sheets, we've got 2 pearlescent ones here on the top. I don't know if the camera will pick up how beautiful and pearlescent. One of them looks like champagne, and then one of them is more of an oyster color. We've got a beautiful copper color sheet here. We've got a lovely kind of minty green. We've got this beautiful magenta, like plum color almost, very pretty. And there's our white cardstock. So that's 5 sheets of specialty paper in this kit this month. You're going to get your handy mesh zippered bag so you can keep everything handy and all sealed up. Got a gorgeous sequin pack. Look at those sparkly, iridescent, shiny sequins. They're going to match everything that's in the kit, all the colors of the kit. So as I mentioned, this kit is called Retro Cocktails. So we've got a pack of papers for you. This is a sample pack of the So Retro pattern papers. You're going to get 1 each of 10 designs. These are so cool. I cannot wait to see what you create with these. Check out these retro patterns. And the colors are just amazing. Look at that. They're going to remind you so much of Grandma and Grandpa's house back in the 70s. Am I aging myself there? Look at these cool patterns. So fun. You get 10 different patterns. And later in the month, you'll be able to purchase more of this paper if you like. There. And then check this one out with those different cocktails or drinks. Look at the little flamingo stirring stick there. We've got some olives, drinks with umbrellas. This is so fun. I am not a drinker at all, but I love this kit. I can't wait to make some cards for friends with it. So we've got the stamp set is called Bottoms Up, and it's got some great sentiments to go along with more stuff that's down under here we'll share with you in a minute. So we've got a toast to your continued success. Drinks are best when mixed with friends. Age only matters if you're bourbon. The happiest hours are the ones spent with you. There are only two absolutes in life, girlfriends and vodka. Bottoms up. Let's see if I can say this right. Olive you. So it kind of sounds like I love you. You're the piña to my colada. Why limit happy to an hour? May your glass always be full. Let's get tipsy. I'll drink to that. Martini me. This calls for cocktails. Drinks on me. Every hour is happy hour when I'm with you. Real friends just clink. And then we've got happy birthday. So some super great, awesome sentiments to go with this set. Let's keep going. We've got some word dies for you in this kit. We've got congrats and cheers. So these are lovely script font. That's a great little word die set there. We've got this large die set. This is our cocktails dies. So let me flip it over and show you all the little cocktails. And of course you mix and match your parts and pieces to create your own little drinks, whatever you like. We've got a huge variety of different glasses. We've got different mix-ins, citrus, and different sprigs and leaves, olives, cherries, strawberries, straws, pineapple, different little stirs. We got an umbrella, just a lot of different things that you can create some fun mixed drinks for your cards. Super cute. And we've got another die set, and this one is even larger than the ones I showed you before. So this is the third set of dies in this kit. So you really get a lot in this kit for what you pay for it. It's a great, great value. So this set is called Behind the Bar. So it's going to give you the dies to create your bottles for all your mixed drinks. And then also your ice bucket and your mixers and the different tools you use behind the bar to make your drinks. So another fun die set with tons of dies that you can mix and match with the cocktails dies. But that's not all. Last but certainly not least, we're giving you this fun stencil. This is the cocktails stencil. So this coordinates with the cocktail dies. So we've got all our glasses here so that you can color in with your inks the drink that's in the glass. And then we've got all these fun retro patterns that you can add to your glassware, or we've got ice cubes, we've got bubbles, and just some really fun things to accentuate your cocktails. If you take a look there, you can see we've got little patterns on the glasses, we've got bubbles, and we've got ice. So you've got all these fun things that you can add just by adding some ink, blending over the stencil to your cocktails dies. So super fun. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed everything that we've shown you for the December 2024 subscription items. I hope that you cannot wait to get these on your doorstep. I know I can't wait to see what you create with them. And if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? It's a great month to subscribe. I hope you all have had a wonderful 2024, and I can't wait to share more creativity with you in the new year. So you can check out these items at pinkandmain.com, and that's where you can subscribe as well. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.